Hi, I'm Jay.
And I'm John.
And we're Bucket List Travellers. Today we're going to share with you a sneak peek into Nicaragua real estate by taking an inside look into a luxury colonial home in Granada, Nicaragua.
We've been living in Nicaragua for over a year now, and the majority of this time we've had the pleasure of making Casa Agualuna our home here in Granada, Nicaragua. We've used Casa Agualuna many times through our previous videos just as a beautiful backdrop, but we've never actually showed you all our beautiful temporary home. We'd like to express our sincere appreciation and thanks to our landlords, Vivian and JP. They've been extremely supportive throughout our 11 months, just checking in on us from time to time, making sure we're all okay.
Especially when a hurricane came through.
Yeah, we had 2 hurricanes in the course of 2 weeks, which was interesting. You may be interested to know that Casa Agualuna could be yours. Vivian and JP are selling Casa Agualuna. The least we could do in return is showcase the house for you all. We hope you enjoy. Here's our living room. So it's the first room of the house. Normally you've got your TV and chairs to sit in. It's a really nice expansive area. What I've really loved in Nicaragua is that in the afternoons or the evenings, everyone takes a seat, takes it just outside your door and just sits and mingle and people watch. It's a really cool thing and it gives a great sense of community. And another reason why the living room's at the front, I think, is because you can hear all the vendors that go past every day. So you can hear the ice cream vendors, you can hear the verduras, marchantas, the fruit and vegetable people. It's much easier to hear them if you're in here. However, we're not often in here. We're usually at the back of the place. Come on, let's show you more. Okay, so welcome to the main area of Casa Agualuna. So here we've got the kitchen, the open air kitchen, which I absolutely love. It's great just making your breakfast, lunch, dinner, just overlooking this wonderful garden. I wanted to point out that's a frangipani tree, or in Nicaraguense, it's Sachwanhote. I can't pronounce it. That's the national flower of Nicaragua. So the frangipani or the Sachwanhote. I think I said it. Sachwanhote. Okay. So yeah, we've got this lovely kitchen. There's also a garage as well. And it's interesting, I have noticed with the garages in Nicaragua that they're quite narrow. So they're long and narrow. So you can fit 2 cars in here, but
front to front.
Front to front. And I've got no idea how people open the doors and get out. But anyway, not to worry. So we've got a beautiful kitchen here. And make your way through. One thing I love about colonial homes and Spanish style homes is that the whole house centers around the garden. In this garden, we've also got a very beautiful pool. This is the pool area.
Yeah, I absolutely love this area. It's just so relaxing being able to sit out here. And we go for a swim multiple times a day, which is great for keeping yourself cool. And it's just such a pretty area. We often bird watch here. There's so many birds that come to the area. There's this one bird that just comes every day and has a bit of a swim. It's its little routine, which is pretty funny, and it's used to us now. So
yeah, it's getting bolder and bolder. And another bird that comes quite regularly is hummingbird. It just shoots through every morning, every lunch, every afternoon. It's really cool. Let's keep walking.
We love all the flowers around the garden area. It's so pretty. It's roses and hibiscus flowers and all different sorts.
See all this here? This is basil, which our cleaner planted when we first arrived. Planted only that much, and it's just grown everywhere in the time that we've been here.
Which has been great because we love having fresh herbs.
Yep, we love pesto. Okay, so now we've got the bedroom areas. There are 3 bedrooms downstairs, and we'll go into the little one first. So we've got 2 single beds in here, and I typically come in here during the heat of the day. It's a little bit cooler, just in here, and it's the coolest room in the house I've found. And you've got a lovely bathroom as well. So shower. Okay, let's go into the next room.
Love this artwork here. It's so colourful.
So in this room, over our time here, we have alternated this room and the upstairs room as the master bedroom. In the heat of summer, it gets very hot upstairs, and because we don't use air conditioning, we only use the fans, so it's quite warm. So come on in.
Yeah, because electricity prices are quite high here and we're trying to be a bit more environmentally conscious.
Another very lovely shower. Okay, show you the third bedroom. Now, there's the toilet. Here's the last bedroom. So we haven't really used this bedroom too much.
Mainly used it as our quarantine room.
Yeah, it's a quarantine room. When we buy groceries from the supermarkets, we put the groceries in here for 3 days till we're comfortable with it, and then it goes into the pantry. So we've got the laundry out back. So there's a bit of space out here to put stuff on the line, and it dries very quickly, one because it's hot, and you get a bit of a breeze in here too. Plenty of space. Yeah, you get morning sun here as well.
This is the Nicaraguan style way to wash your clothes. So you just kind of scrub it along here,
Yeah.
rinse it out, chicka, chicka, chicka.
And then you've got washing machine as well. Here we've got a new washing machine at the time that we were here. It was very cool, very nice.
That's the old one.
Okay, now I've got a real treat for you, the master bedroom. Come this way. Arriba. So the first thing about the master bedroom that's awesome is not actually in the master bedroom, it's outside. It's this wonderful veranda where you wake up to views of Mombacho volcano every day.
Yeah, I never get sick of this view. It's so pretty.
Yeah.
You got the pool there. It's just glorious.
So beautiful.
And if you turn that way, you can actually see a little bit of Iglesia La Merced, and you can also see the top of the Cathedral of Granada. It's through that window here. It's probably not going to come out very well, but
Yeah, you can see it pretty clearly with your eyes.
yeah, it's such a nice view. So sometimes we can see fireworks from the balcony here, which is pretty cool. Actually, this morning there were heaps of bombers. I don't know what the festivity was today, but 5 o'clock in the morning, it was just one after the other, and I was watching from here. It was pretty cool.
Yeah, that's one thing that you're gonna have to get used to if you're living in Nicaragua. Fireworks or bombers go off every hour of the day, and usually at the crack of dawn. And here's our master bedroom. So nice.
Yeah, so spacious. So I think it's a king size bed.
Yeah, that's pretty big. And during the rainy season, We come up here and do our yoga just in this space here, so there's so much space to make good use of. Okay, do we go through the walk-through wardrobe first?
Yeah.
So we've got plenty of space for our clothes, and we don't have too many clothes. We have taken this trip just using carry-on bags, and that will probably be another video for you all, as requested by Deborah. So we will get to that. A whole nother story. We've got heaps of room, got a safe. Okay, on this way. So we've got the bathroom, which is just amazingly large. Yeah. So we've got a spa, views overlooking Mombacho volcano.
Just behind that tree.
Yeah, just behind the tree. You've got enough privacy as well.
Yeah, so there's only one balcony that overlooks the whole place, and that's there, but it's generally obscured by that palm tree there, which is quite handy.
Yeah.
Gives us a lot of privacy.
Yeah, so unless you've got cable guys working on the roofs next door, you're fine.
Yeah, that can be a bit of a shock when you look up in there.
Again. Yeah. And yeah, we've got this beautiful shower as well.
Nice big shower head. We just had a new pump installed, so that's helping with the pressure as well, which is good.
Yeah. And the toilet's in here. We will show you the toilet, because what we have loved about this toilet is, where's the light? Is the bidet. In a pandemic, bidets are priceless. Back in Australia, there were runs on toilet paper in the supermarket, so you just couldn't get toilet paper. Having seen all that, that was a bit of an anxiety for us. Oh, do we have enough toilet paper? We're going to have to go out and get toilet paper, blah, blah, blah. But no, we haven't needed to, because we've had a bidet.
And a bidet, for anyone who doesn't know, is something that you use as an alternative to toilet paper to clean yourself after you've gone to the bathroom. So that's why there's two things that look like toilets, but that's the toilet and that's the bidet.
Bidets. Awesome. Before we head off, this is quite historical for us, because I'm getting emotional now. This area here was the scene of our first video. So this was our first video shoot on YouTube.
Yeah, so we had our camera just stacked there, and I was standing on a book because I wasn't tall enough, so I was standing up trying to position myself here. We had those tiles in the background. We had blankets everywhere trying to stop the echo of the sound. And there was a cat out there just staring at us the whole time. We did two versions, one in Spanish and one in... Oh, it'll be okay. It'll be okay.
Yeah, I really love this place.
Yeah. This has been a real sanctuary for us, so it's going to be hard moving on. Hopefully we'll be able to come back, but who knows?
Yeah, there's so many really good memories here, and through such a crazy time.
Yeah, but we've just made the most of it. It's been a really special time in our lives, like starting the channel.
Completely.
John did a board director's course. That was a big milestone and big life goal to get that done. Spending time together, growing as a couple.
Yes.
And growing in our yoga practice.
Yep. Yeah. More flexible.
Yeah, it's been really good here.
Aha, you're getting emotional.
Yeah, I've been filming all the B-roll for this today, and it's just every time I look at the view of the pool, I just never want to leave. It's just so pretty. You just can't get anything like this anywhere else in the world, like with the volcanoes in the background and the churches everywhere. It's just so pretty.
We hope you've enjoyed this inside look into a luxury colonial home in Granada, Nicaragua. How much do you think a property like this would sell for? Let us know in the comments below.
If you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more great Nicaragua content.
We are Bucket List Travellers.
Signing off from Casa Agualuna for the last time.
See you next time.